I'm Michelle and I'm with Productive Robotics, and we are here at the IMTS trade show in Chicago. We're showcasing collaborative robot automation for CNC machining. Our robot CNC package makes it affordable and simple to get started automating your CNC machines. And here you can see a simple setup. Gluing. Gluing is a very common application that allows you to achieve an accurate and precise finish. Deburring. You can quickly and easily adjust parameters in the deburring process to give you the desired part finish.
Hi, I'm Tyler Reeson. I'm an applications engineer here at Productive Robotics. Today we're showing off OB7 and our 4 collaborative robots at IMTS 2022. Behind me here we have a Max 12 robot attending a Johnford SV40 machining center, and we're actually integrated from the OB7 to the Fagor 8065 controller, allowing us to stop and start the machine and know when the actual part will be finished.
Material handling. You can automate many different material handling applications with this simple setup. Inspection. Here we have our inspection demo using the Cognex camera and software to inspect a cylinder. OB7 moves the inspection camera from viewpoint to viewpoint so the cylinder head can be visually inspected. We are so excited because we just launched 2 brand new robotic welding systems. This is Blaze Duo, our revolutionary 2-station robotic welder, complete with automatic doors, built-in fume extraction, LED lighting, and live video monitoring.
Look at that! It's all flush! I'm sorry about that.
Blaze Duo is the ultimate solution for high production welding. You can find OB7 on other booths as well. We've collaborated with other companies at IMTS to showcase how OB7 robots work with other equipment and systems. SciTech is monitoring OB7 robot to provide real-time status and performance metrics. Absolute Machine Tools is our industry partner for the machine tools industry. They're showcasing a range of automated solutions at their booth. They also have a test drive center. At Productive Robotics, we're known for simplicity and no programming. Being American-made, we're here for you every step of the way. OB7 is ready to boost your manufacturing. We're happy to help you get started automating simply and cost-effectively.